everybody, it's Claire Paris with Paris Group Realty, LLC. And today on our Dear Claire series, I wanted to give you access to a bunch of maintenance videos. So we're all under orders to stay home. And what does that mean? After you have exhausted all the Netflix, you're probably going to want something else to do with your time. And so we have a few tips on things that you can do that probably need to be done around the house. And with all of our beautiful weather, that seems like a great idea. So we have a couple of great videos that'll show you how to clean your gutters, which always needs to be done in our neck of the world, and then cut back all your vegetation and trim it. Now's the perfect time for spring trimming. Replace your air filters in your furnace. I've got another video. It's super easy. It's a great idea. It's something you all should be doing. And then check your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide alarms. Ideally, you want to just make sure batteries are updated. I mean, I know you guys are sitting at home and there's nothing to be doing right now, so you might as well just kind of go through a checklist and check all the things in your house and make sure everything's functioning well. Other big one is dryer vents. I know you're probably doing a ton of laundry right now. At least if you're like me, I've been going on a lot more runs because I have a little bit more free time. So you're going to want to check your dryer vents and make sure that that's all clean and well maintained. And I'm going to have all of these things posted in the comments section below so that you can check out these videos and see. They're pretty funny and they're pretty entertaining and also informative. As far as what we're doing real estate wise, I'm still selling properties. I'm still helping people buy properties. It's just kind of a brave new world. What I mean by that is we are sometimes showing properties for sure, maintaining social distance, of course. I've got bleach wipes and hand sanitizer and all that kind of stuff. And then we have all these cool, amazing technologies that we're starting to use a lot more commonly, which include 3D modeling so that you can virtually walk through the listings and check them out. So we're really trying to innovate and keep you guys informed and so you know what's going on in the market right now. Of course, if you have any real estate questions, especially right now while you're sitting there wondering about anything to do with your loan or the mortgages or any of that, things are changing so rapidly. Feel free to reach out and give me a call. I'm here to answer any questions you might have, help allay your fears, and really get us all through this together. I hope you're all well and taking care, and I will hopefully see you again next week. Take care, everyone.